you need to have character. We often hear that many people who are successful are crooks. They took advantage of other people. They were dishonest. They ran schemes, and that's how they got rich. But I can tell you, I don't know the 8 billion people on the planet, but I've watched enough interviews, I've listened to enough people to know that that's not true. Because if you think about it, if somebody doesn't have a good character and is always running schemes to exploit other people, at some point the word of mouth is gonna go around and people will know about it. So you cannot hide that kind of things. And so you need to have good character. I believe in I believe in karma, in the sense that what you put out comes back to you. So if you do people wrong, you're gonna get wrong. If you do people right, you're gonna get right. And it's not 100% guaranteed, but it's always better to be good with the people around you, whether you have something in return or not. So have a good character. It always helps. You cannot be in trouble because you have been an honest person. Sometimes, yes, you can find yourself in trouble because somebody has been dishonest and somewhere, and it wasn't your fault. But at the end of the day, if you do nothing wrong, people are going to know about